Hey guys, it's Dale with eInsurance and your quirky question of the week. This week, a customer sent in a question that hits close to home for me. The question is, how does pet insurance work? Without divulging too much or straying too far, my family and I, we adopted a pet probably 2 years ago. And we're faced with this exact question at the time, because whether you know it or not, your furry friends or your pets that often become family members, if something happens, having them or having a procedure, having them looked at by the vet can get very, very expensive. So the short of it is, pet insurance is very much like health insurance. You pay a monthly premium, you have a deductible that you must pay, and it can actually be covered up to 100%, but typically you have a copay in there. The one thing to really look out for is that you're almost looked at as a revolver, as a bank revolver by the insurance company, because any procedure or any visit to the vet, you will have to pay directly out of pocket and then recoup those or file that claim with the insurance company to get reimbursed. So that's I guess that's the biggest drawback, is that there's a bit of time between you receiving that reimbursement and you being out of that cash for that specific procedure for your pet. All that being said, we really, really recommend having this insurance because it pains me to say this, but sometimes people find themselves hit with a sudden illness or ailment with their pet, and they can't afford the procedure. And then the only alternative is to put that pet down, unfortunately. So paying a monthly premium and having that peace of mind makes that decision, if you ever had a problem with your pet and needed to have a large procedure, makes that decision very easy, because you know it's covered. So and with all other policies, just like all other policies, make sure you read the fine print, because if something like pre-existing conditions or hereditary conditions are excluded, the value of pet insurance may be nil for you. So that's our question of the week. Remember, send your questions to questions@einsure.com, and we'll talk to you next week. Take care.